Hello everyone and welcome to the fresh new video where we will see how to run MSF console. I know many of us were unable to access the MSF console, and also there was an official statement from the official Termux dev team in Reddit that Metasploit as well as some other hacking tools has been removed from our repositories. So these are the official statement from Termux dev tool in Reddit, and they have also mentioned that Termux will no longer provide such packages as well as instructions for manually building or installing them. Advanced users won't have any problems with installing MSF manually. Others do not need it at all. So why Metasploit has been removed? Okay, so in general, as a response to quite disruptive community participants who strongly needing to hack someone and thinking that community rules are not for them. So on my behalf, I am refusing to provide hacking tools in main, unstable or X11 Termux repositories. So this is a very important statement which came up from Termux dev tool in Reddit. So guys, it's a request, do not use it for any illegal purpose. It's just for educational purpose. All right, so to overcome this, in this video I'll show you step by step from installing of termux to properly execution of msf console. So follow the steps as demonstrated. All right, so I'll do it from the very beginning. Let's open up Play Store and then type in termux and then install it. Okay, so it will be approximately around 17 to 18 MB. All right, so now as you can see it is now installing. Next you need to open up. Let's first clear the screen, then let's give the storage permission. Okay, so for that type in termux-setup-storage. So next hit enter, and this will ask for a storage permission. Hit allow. Next we need to install wget package. Let's try let's clear the screen and then see like whether it's installed or not. So let's first try pkg install wget. Hit enter. Okay, it's working. Package is getting downloaded and installed. There is some problem. Okay, let's see, like clear the screen and let's see whether it's the package is installed or not. So oh, as you can see pkg install wget, you again need to perform this. Okay, so as you can see this is throwing up message mentioning the program wget is not installed. So let's once again try to install the package. Type in pkg install wget and hit enter. Next press y, and now this is, yes, installing the package properly. All right, so there may be at times, when you're trying to install the package, there may be some error which is throwing up by the termux while downloading. So let's try it once again. So like as you can see we tried wget for the second time. Now it is properly downloading. All right, yes, I'd prefer to fast forward this because it may take time depending on your internet speed. All right, so all right, and it's done. Now type clear and then let's type in this wget and this command. I'll show this command in the description as well. Okay, so as you can see it has been installed. So next type in ls, then we need to change the mode. So for this type in chmod plus x, and then we need to give it the executable mode. Okay, so for that type in plus x, then install.sh and hit enter. Once again if you do clear and ls, you will see the install.sh has been successfully changed its execution mode, and now we can install it. So for that you just need to type in dot /install -i, and as you can see, it's asking it will need some 4350 KB. After this operation, 18.6 MB will be additional in the disk space, so it's perfectly fine, no problem. Okay, so it will take some time. uh, okay, I'll be skipping the explanation of each and every term here, as you will be going through the proper explanation of each and every term, okay, in the course itself. So I'll just figure out the issue, how to resolve it. All right, so I'll just fast forward this installation. Okay, as I have mentioned, like, depending on your internet speed, it will take some time. Approximately, you can say, for example, 5 to 10 minutes it will take to properly download and install the package. Okay, so now it is getting the package is getting installed. Okay, so if there is any kind of a question, make sure. Okay, so if there is any such kind of a question where it is asking us for the permission, always type in the default or press enter. Okay, make sure that the default permission is there, so that whatever it needs to download the package, it should be there. Yeah, so do you want Termux Black custom? Press Y, then hit enter. Now you'll see a new session. Just a second. Do you want Termux? Yeah, apt. Okay, okay, there will be a message now. Open a new session and enjoy. So now it's time to create a new session or open up a new session. So just, just if you just slide the left side, you'll see the next session, and then you need to, type in this command. I'll share this command in the description as well. Hit enter, and as you can see, it is there. So now clear the screen. ls, you'll see metasploit.sh. Once again, we need to give the execution permission. Okay, so for that you need to change the mode. So chmod plus x for execution, and I'm in the executable mode, and then type in metasploit.sh and hit enter. Yeah, all right, so if you just clear the screen and type in ls, you'll see the executable permission, yes, and the color is also changed to green. All right, so metasploit sh is now executable. So just type in dot forward slash metasploit.sh and it will start. All right, so yeah, this will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. I'll fast forward it and make sure for all the yes or no during the installation, make sure you hit enter, as it will take the default value. Okay, all right, we have fast forwarded it. Successfully installed bundler, then one gem is also installed, and now it is fetching few of the important packages, also fetching metasploit payloads as well. So yeah, as you can see, it is showing up. You can now directly use msf venom or msfconsole. So let's now see whether it is installed or not. I mean the package is perfectly running or not. So for this, just type in, I mean first clear the screen and then type in msf console, hit enter, and just wait. And as you can see, it's starting the metasploit framework. So it has been successfully installed. Now you can type in banner to see if the commands are working or not. Just type a simple command, type in banner and hit enter, and see whether metasploit is successfully working or not. As you can see, we are getting auxiliary, post, encounters and everything. Yes, as you can see, if you just scroll up, the banner is there. All right, so we have successfully uh, installed all the packages which was required for msf console. Also we have try to use the termux black, which will help us to run msf console and perform the various tasks. Okay, once again, this video is for educational purpose. Do not try this for attempting any illegal activities. Me, the Bayande, is not responsible for any illegal activities you perform. This is only for educational purpose, and make sure that you do not perform any illegal activities. Otherwise, again, there will be a big problem that this metasploit packages won't be available from this as well, because as you have read from the Reddit, and like the dev team has removed it because various illegal activities were happening. So once again, this is for educational purpose. So yeah, so next, like how to come out of this. So for this, you need to type in quit or exit. So let's see, like for msf6, you just need to type in exit one time, then again termus black. So once again type in exit and then you are back. Okay, so once again, if you type in exit, you will be back in your mobile home screen. So that's it. I hope this will help all of us who were facing the problem of msf console and metasploit, which was not working for like past 1 or 2 months. So I hope this will work. So yeah, see you in the all the courses which are available on Udemy. Okay, so I hope this will work for you as well. Wish you all the best and stay safe.